Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to set up uh, Proton VPN. So guys, if you want to set up and install the Proton VPN, so guys, it is very easy. So basically it is available for your Windows, your Mac. Okay, so first you simply go and search for the Proton. Okay, so these are its pricing. It is freely available also, which is medium VPN speed, connect to the server in 10 countries and secure one device at a time. Okay, now here you see that this is my Proton VPN and download for Mac OS. So you simply go here and choose your OS. Okay, so recommended for your device, it is automatically detect my OS chip. Okay, and if your system have some higher specification, so you choose another one. After that, simply click on the option of this download button. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so you go for view plans. Okay, so just wait a second.